I'm a national youth leader, and as of the moment, we are leading university student activism to reinvent and bring back the student activism that we've been having for a long period of time that we have lost. Right now, the major discourse has been on the new funding model and the role that has been in the education sector. And we want students to be active and aware of whatever is going on. We are not in support of what the government has done in trying to call out student leaders in having personal meetings, which is not effective towards the success of the education of this country. That is why we are looking at students to stand up for the students and majorly for all our individuals who are being threatened, including students themselves, by the anarchism that is being displayed by this government. Thank you.
Thank you.
So hello everyone.
Hi.
Okay, my name is Julius Kimani. I think these we discuss all together as this issue because I believe at stake here is our very lives, our very existence. Police are killing people, attacking people, and I don't know why it should happen in a country that is what is so constitutional democracy. It's very sad. Right the other day, I read in the media, the social media, about the bodies that were retrieved from Kware, the families of the victims. They are being threatened.